People often ask me, what makes a bonsai so expensive? So today we're comparing a £50 bonsai tree all the way up through the price range to a £2 million bonsai tree. Now a £50 bonsai, like the one I have here in front of me, is what most beginners have, and it's a great start to the hobby. Often not more than 5 years old, bought from a nursery or DIY store, often a ficus or a Chinese elm. Their shape is basic, training minimal. You'll notice uneven growth and wire scars if you look closely. They are mass produced in nurseries or imported in bulk. Perfect for beginners, but not yet a masterpiece. Essentially a bonsai in training. Now here's where things get interesting. A £500 bonsai tree. This is where artistry meets horticulture. Now these trees will have better movement in the trunk and would have been styled over many years. Balanced branch placement and mature foliage pads. Likely hand trained by an enthusiast or semi-professional. They would have been grown in proper bonsai soil and often in a handcrafted pot. These trees probably took 5 to 15 years of consistent care and shaping. Now a £5,000 bonsai tree will often be 50 years old to 100 years or more. Trunk movement is natural and dramatic. Deadwood features such as Jin or Shari. Branch placement is perfect and will look like it's a painting. It will have been grown by a professional and displayed in exhibitions. Next we come to a £50,000 bonsai tree. These trees will typically be found in the wild. Collected trees we call Yamadori. Collected from mountain tops of China, America or Japan. They are centuries old, some reaching into the 1,000 years or possibly more. They are shaped by nature itself, compressed by heavy snow and battered by strong winds for hundreds if not thousands of years. Only the absolute professional will have worked on these trees, like the likes of Bjorn or Ryan Neal from Moray. Finally, we come to the most expensive trees in the world. This is the Sergeant's juniper. It's believed to be over 1,000 years old and is valued at approximately $2 million US. A Japanese white pine auctioned in 2011 for £1.3 million. Other $1 million specimens include an 800-year-old Shimpaku juniper and the famous Yamaki pine, which survived the Hiroshima bombing, is now valued at over $1 million. These trees are the absolute pinnacle of bonsai and revered in Japanese culture and across the world. These trees are living works of art. As such, need constant care and attention, tending to all their needs. Water, fertiliser, pruning, shaping for branches and taper. Endless amounts of hours tending to their every need make them the best in the world. So in short, what makes a bonsai tree so expensive? Time. Time and age is what makes a bonsai so expensive. Please press that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and follow my craziness throughout the years. And I'll see you next time, guys. Ta-da!